So of course, before we actually secure this wig down, we're going to get into the hairline and see what the lace is giving. Now this is a 13x6 lace frontal wig with a super nice, super clean, pre-plucked hairline. The density on this wig is 150%. Now the original texture of this wig was straight. However, when I washed this hair, this is the texture that it transformed to. Love these big deep waves. Now let's zoom in and get into the hairline. So as I just mentioned, the hairline is pre-plucked and pre-bleached, so you don't have to do anything to this type of wig when it comes to the lace. And already, as you can see, this HD lace is blending into my skin, and I haven't even applied any product to secure the lace. Now I did go ahead and cut the extra lace off because it was just way too much, girl. It was on my eyebrows and everything, so no. Right here, I'm trying to figure out, of course, if I'm going to do the bust down middle part or I'm going to do a curved C part. I ended up doing a curved C part because I honestly wanted to do the flip over method, but it just didn't work out that way. Okay girl, and now it is time to apply my lace frontal holding spray. Y'all, just get into the hairline on this wig. I love a wig that I don't have to do anything with. So this method is not new to my channel. I mean, I introduced it to my channel maybe about 3 or 4 videos ago. So I got this technique from TikTok where a girl would literally take the holding spray and apply it on a makeup brush and then apply that makeup brush directly to our hairline. And the reason why you want to do this, or at least try to do this, is because it puts the holding spray exactly where it needs to be. If you have ever installed a lace frontal wig and using the hairspray for whatever the reason may be, whether that's securing the stocking cap or securing the lace, girl, that spray go everywhere but where you need it to be. So I love that technique. So basically what I did was, again, apply the product directly on the lace, and this also keeps the hairline from getting super hard and super stiff. This lace and hairline on this wig is literally everything. Just look at how it melts into my skin. I just love this wig. So yeah, so when it comes to applying the spray and the makeup brush, you can do the same thing for like just making sure the lace is laying flat on the skin, especially if you have to go in and cut anything. The lace can definitely lift, so just continue to use that same method. Now, one thing that I didn't really like, but it's okay, it's not a big deal, is I did have to go in and pluck a good amount on the part just to get a natural part on this wig. Now, if you prefer like a thin part on your wigs, and that's you, this wig will be even better for you. But me, myself personally, I prefer for my hairline to be a little on the wide side. Alright, y'all, so now that the wig is secured and installed, I'm going to go ahead and put this wig into a ponytail. Now, let me just say this. I was not expecting for this ponytail to be as cute and as flat as it was in this video. Honestly, I was about to just put this wig in a ponytail and go on about my day, but this wig is too cute to be put in a ponytail, and look how natural the lace and the hairline looks up against my skin. RPG Hair has really been on it with these whole wig revamps, and I am here for every last one of them. So now that I have my hair in a ponytail, I'm going to go ahead and secure it down. This method just helps with making sure the lace lays flat up against the skin, and it also helps with blending. So I'm going to go ahead next and define the curls in this wig. So I used a mixture of water and conditioner with some curling mousse, and honestly, because I wanted to keep the fullness of the hair, I probably should have just only used a curling cream or a curling mousse, because that would have helped with my curls being a little bit more juicier and a little bit more on the big side. time to take off this scarf, honey, and voila, the lace is melted, the hairline is blended. Everything is perfect about this wig, the texture and the lace. So basically what I'm doing here is taking my hands and going in a circular rotation so that I fluff out the curls from the root of the hair. And I'm also not pulling my fingers all the way through the hair because I don't want any type of frizziness going on. So get into it, look at it, it's super natural. This wig looks just like my natural hair. So of course all the details will be below in the description bar. Of course there will be coupon codes or some sort of way to save yourself some money if you decide to purchase this wig. If you are a curly hair girl, you definitely need this texture, especially because it has so many perks with the pre-plucked hairline, the pre-bleached knots, the HD lace. Like, it's super nice. Definitely make sure you check it out. Thanks guys, bye.